Well, people want to know why we have fucking global warming.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah. Send this footage to Greta. She'll be furious.
Yeah.
She'll lose her goddamn mind. Lose her Swedish mind. She'll fly over here in a jet
She
right
won't
away.
fly. She'll take her sailboat.
Yeah. She's gonna take her little sailboat all across the ocean and get here to fix this, because we're just destroying the planet like this. Burning plastic. I mean, come on. At the old Ford.
Sailboat's got to be $500,000 or more.
Yeah, probably more. I mean, it's probably pimped out on the inside. Never know. Whoa, there's another entry fee here. Indian 100, foreigners 200. For the restaurant? Are you kidding me? I think it's a separate Ford.
Sunset Point.
10:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. That's longer than the Ford is open for. Kali Burj. Kali Burj is the place we're going to. It's open late at night, so if you want to hang out up here and get the view at night, this is the place to be. Because you can't be at the Ford because the guards were blowing their whistles asking people to get the hell out. But not here, not at Kali Burj. They don't discriminate at Kali Burj.
We shall see.
Oh, I thought it says drug cafeteria. I was happy for a second, but it's dirt cafeteria. Damn. Had my hopes up for a second.
Exotic city view of Sunset Point.
There's an entry fee here. Is that for the cafeteria, or
I have no clue.
why would there be an entry fee for a cafeteria? How good is that? City view, sunset view, bar. I have no idea where we're going. Whoa. So I don't think there's really a ticket here because there's nothing. And people just walking up to the wall.
That's Sunset Point.
This is it, yep. You go up here. That's a Sunset Point. So, here we have the little wall. Build that wall. It's already built. So, yeah, people destroyed it with their names. Nobody cares what your name is. How would you destroy the little wall? Look at this battlement. This is where the soldiers were defending the fort from. Your view is pretty limited. I mean, I don't know how far you could shoot from here. Look at that man trying to jump out of the window. What do you think they had in 1730 to shoot out of this?
I think they're dropping rocks out the window.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, how far can you throw a rock from here?
Push it out.
Yeah.
Well, you have these.
Yeah, these were used to pour hot oil on anyone who's trying to scale the walls.
Okay.
So you could see these like at every fort, even in like Delhi and stuff. But what do you do from here? Like, are you even going to be able to shoot anyone who's down there? I mean, even if you have a modern gun, I don't
Every
think so.
height. So this is going to pour oil down.
Yeah.
This is going to push it a little farther out. Each one will be a little bit farther.
Right.
That's how I see it. I mean, but then again, I'm not 100% sure.
Maybe they had cannons pointing out of there. Yeah. But then you have the names of the people and the hearts, which are like the Indian version of dicks. It's heart. Let's check out this little window.
You weren't even smiling
We're
properly.
taking over the kids.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Whoa!
No.
Look at this. Is that a good thumbnail? All right. Man, it's a whole different feeling. You want to look out the window? But today's a hazy day. I don't think we're gonna have the best sunset today. But yeah, it's all kind of the same. As you can see down here, the city of Jaipur. Nice little bastion here. Let's try and go up to the actual sunset spot. It looks crowded though. I don't know if we're going to be able to stand up there for very long, seeing how many people there are. Oh, we wanted to get those hats, right? We didn't find a place.
Not yet. I'll get one to wear throughout India.
Yeah. Okay. How do you get up here? Look at these stairs. That's even narrower. Did they have some sort of a narrow ladder challenge or steps? Who can build the narrowest steps in the world? It's in Rajasthan. Without a doubt. Crowded up here. People taking up the. I was expecting a little more, but yeah, that's about it. All right. Not too impressed by the sunset spot, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's crowded. It's way too many people. Going down the narrowest street in the world. Oh my God. So that's the sunset point. How much would I rate it out of 10? How much would you rate it out of 10, Sunset Point?
I'd give it a 5.
Yeah, me too.
Only because it's so smoggy and
yeah, that kind of destroys the view that we could have had otherwise if it was a clear day. But that's what it is. And yeah, it is also a tiny little thing. They could have built it to be bigger. If it was this size, it would have been much better.
And
but,
you can see it's a total add-on.
Yeah, yeah. I think it was built after. But that was a sunset point. I'm glad there was no ticket because it would not have been worth to pay extra for that. So yeah, 50 rupees for all of this. Definitely worth it, I would say. And here you have a restaurant up top where you could eat. Probably jacked up prices here, obviously, because of the location. It's probably fair, because I guess the view from up there is going to be pretty spectacular too. All right, so I don't think we're going to be able to go to Jaipur Fort, but
We are
yeah.
going to Jaipur Fort.
No, this is the Nahargarh Fort.
Oh.
Yeah, the Jaipur one was. It's on the way. I mean, it's not too far, but it
Not
closes.
enough time.
Yeah, you don't have enough time. Not nearly enough time. I don't think they're gonna let us in, even if we were there right now. So it's. We'll probably go there another day. Oh, what is down here? Just people going to pee.
Yep.
That's the toilets in India.
Just
If you don't like, yeah, if you don't like the public toilets, just go into the bush, and nobody will say shit.
Just don't step in it.
Yeah, yeah. Careful where you step. Greta would be proud of the beauty of Nahargarh Fort. And with that, we're done.